Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Avid Power Dremel is probably one of the most versatile tools you can add to your workshop, capable of handling a wide range of tasks from intricate carving and engraving to sanding, polishing, and even cutting. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out with home improvement projects, this rotary tool offers the precision and power needed to bring your creative visions to life with ease and efficiency. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling during extended use, making it an indispensable companion for detailed craftwork and repairs alike. Number 5. Avid Power 20V Cordless Tire Inflator. Never worry about overinflating again. Simply set your desired pressure, and this device automatically stops when it's just right. It inflates a standard car tire in under 5 minutes, making quick top-ups a breeze. Enjoy maximum flexibility with dual power options. Use the rechargeable battery for ultimate portability, or plug into your car's 12V outlet for continuous power, ensuring you're never stranded with a flat. Easily monitor inflation with a clear, anti-glare display showing pressure in multiple units. Its ergonomic design and rubberized handle ensure a comfortable and secure grip, even in the dark thanks to the built-in LED light. This portable compressor is perfect for cars, bikes, motorcycles, and sports equipment. While it's not designed for large inflatables or heavy-duty vehicles, it handles most everyday inflation tasks with ease. Experience industrial-grade durability with its all-metal cylinder and gears. This robust construction ensures faster cooling, longer life, and powerful, reliable performance for demanding jobs. To ensure optimal durability, allow it to cool down after 10 to 15 minutes of continuous use. A single full battery charge can typically inflate up to 4 standard car tires from flat. What we like. This tire inflator offers automatic shutoff for precise inflation and rapid airflow to get you back on the road quickly. Its dual power supply, with both a battery and a car adapter, ensures you're never stranded. If you prioritize convenience and speed for your car, motorcycle, or bicycle tires, this is a fantastic choice for peace of mind. What people say. It has a rechargeable battery, which works the best. It's faster with that. You can program the desired PSI and it stops there. The Avid has a 20-volt battery as opposed to the 12 for the Auto. More voltage means how much power the battery generates. Thus, the Avid is a bit more powerful and fills the tire a bit faster. Avid states that you can inflate 3 to 4 tires fully depending on tire size. For two 1460R16, as an example, you can fully inflate 3 tires from flat and each tire would take about 5 minutes. The 20V rechargeable battery is a lifesaver. No more dragging a 12V cord through the cabin or scratching the trim, just snap the battery on and go. It fills a low Tesla tire in a matter of seconds. Number 4. Avid Power 8V Cordless Rotary Tool. Experience strong and steady power for all your DIY projects and pet grooming needs. Easily adjust the speed from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute to match your task. Enjoy the convenience of a cordless design with a long-lasting 2.0 Ah battery. It charges fully in just 3 to 4 hours, and the spindle lock makes bit changes quick and simple. For bright LED lights around the bit illuminate your project, even in low light. This is especially helpful for detailed work like trimming pet nails. Work with minimal noise disruption. Its low noise level makes it ideal for grooming pets, ensuring a less stressful experience for them. Its anti-slip rubber-covered handle provides a comfortable grip for better control. The lightweight body makes delicate tasks easier and reduces fatigue. This versatile tool comes with 60 accessories for a wide range of applications, including grinding, sanding, polishing, and cutting. The package includes the rotary tool, 60 accessories, a battery charger, a canvas tool bag, and a user manual for your convenience. What we like. This cordless rotary tool provides strong power with 5 adjustable speeds, making it ideal for detailed work. The integrated LED lights illuminate your project, and its low-noise operation is perfect for sensitive tasks like dog nail trimming. If you're looking for a versatile tool for crafting, DIY, or pet grooming, this offers excellent control and comfort. What people say. This thing works really great, has good power to it. Charges quick and lasts a while. Several speeds. Works great. The light is useful, the adjustable power settings help me file down different thicknesses of nails, it's tough enough to not break after being dropped, it feels heavy enough in the hand, but not too heavy to cause hand fatigue. Number 3. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing a high-performance, low-noise rotary tool kit. It comes with 69 accessories perfect for all your DIY fine work projects. Easily adjust the speed across 5 settings, from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. This allows you to match the power needed for different tasks. Designed to feel like holding a pen, it offers ultimate control and comfort. Its compact size means you can take it and use it anywhere. This cordless tool features a 3.7V rechargeable battery with a 2000 mAh capacity. Enjoy over 200 minutes of use on a single charge, with convenient USB charging. Work with greater precision thanks to the integrated LED light. It illuminates your work area, reducing shadows for a better, more accurate experience. What we like. This mini rotary tool is incredibly compact and lightweight, feeling like a pen for ultimate precision and comfort during delicate tasks. With 5 speed settings and USB charging, it's highly convenient for on-the-go use. If you enjoy fine DIY projects, crafting, or intricate detailing and need a portable, easy-to-charge tool, this kit with its extensive accessory set is perfect for you. What people say. It has a good amount of different tools and speed settings which makes it perfect for whatever project you're working on. It's lightweight and easy to hold, which is perfect for smaller hands. She can use it comfortably without getting tired. The 5 speed settings are very helpful. I like that it's cordless so I don't have to worry about wires while I use it, however if it dies you can use it while it charges. The battery lasts a long time and it's super easy to use. I like that I can adjust the speed and the actual tool itself isn't bulky and uncomfortable to hold in either hand. Number 2. WEN 7.2V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the WEN 7.2V Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Experience the freedom of cordless operation with its rechargeable lithium-ion battery. This versatile tool is designed to handle a wide range of tasks. It can cut, sand, polish, drill, carve, etch, deburr, and so much more. Achieve the perfect finish with the variable speed dial, allowing you to adjust from 5,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute. Fine-tune your work with precision. Designed for comfort, its lightweight build weighs only 0.6 pounds. This helps to limit fatigue, even during extended use. This kit comes complete with 24 accessories, onboard LED lights for better visibility, a charger, and a compact carrying case for easy storage and transport. What we like. This rotary tool kit is exceptionally lightweight, minimizing fatigue during extended use. It offers variable speed control for a range of applications, from cutting to polishing, all with the freedom of cordless operation. If you're a hobbyist or DIYer who values comfort, control, and the ability to work without being tethered, this tool is a great option for various home projects. What people say. Sturdy and solid feeling in the tool, strong chuck, great electronic start and speed control with LED indicator lights. Charging light goes from red to green when charged and it even comes with a hard case. The toolless chuck is a nice bonus as well. These tools were designed for small jobs and hobbyists. If you are doing a quick lawnmower blade sharpening, grinding down my thick toenails or smoothing the rough edge of a pipe, then this tool is a good tool for a fair price. The light is great and the second and third speeds are all I use on the dog's nails. The battery needs to be charged about once a week and I use it for about 15 minutes, 10 times a week. Number 1. Avid Power 20V Cordless Tire Inflator. Introducing the Avid Power Cordless Tire Inflator. Simply set your desired pressure, and it automatically shuts off, giving you peace of mind. Get back on the road faster. This powerful compressor inflates a standard tire in under 5 minutes. Plus, the integrated LED light illuminates your work in the dark. Never worry about a dead battery. It runs on a rechargeable 20V battery or a 12V car adapter, ensuring you're always prepared for any journey. From cars and bikes to sports balls and pool toys, this portable inflator handles it all. An adapter for bicycle tires is included. Everything you need is in the box: the cordless inflator, battery, car adapter, charger, nozzles, and a handy tool bag for storage. What we like. This portable air compressor features an auto shut-off function for effortless inflation and a powerful motor for quick top-ups. Its dual power supply, including a rechargeable battery and a 12V car adapter, guarantees you're always prepared. If you need a reliable and fast inflator for car tires, sports balls, or pool toys, especially during travel or emergencies, this offers great flexibility. What people say. It works great for all types of tires. Cars, light-duty trucks, riding mowers, carts, bicycles, etc. Easy to use and gauge works well. Love that it can be recharged and ready to use at any time. It inflates at a good speed for my occasional household and tire needs. I went a few months without use and the battery was fine and retained its charge. It is lightweight, fills tire quickly and easily transported. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.